One of the most common questions I get is asbestos. Aren't we about done with asbestos? And the answer to that question is we haven't scratched the surface. In most downtowns, in most cities, we could look at the skyline and it would be easier for me to point out the buildings that had been abated rather than those that had not.
Asbestos is dangerous. It doesn't show up for 30 years and it can literally kill you, but you don't know about it till it's way too late.
50% of the work we do are renovation to existing buildings, and many of those buildings are historic. If they haven't been abated in the past, they're going to contain hazardous materials.
There can often be, on the job site, multiple contractors, a plumber, HVAC person. If we come in and we do a proper abatement of the place before they start their work, there is no concern that they might cut into something that has asbestos-containing materials.
We've got a schedule to keep, so Snyder really is the lead domino.
Because the buildings have been around for so long, a lot of the hazardous substance was integrated within the actual building structure itself. You had layers upon layers of building material that was hiding different asbestos, lead. Snyder was able to handle that seamlessly and be able to take care of those without having to go back to the drawing board.
We have many clients that will actually come to us in the early stages, the planning stages of their project, and get our input on what should we budget for abatement, because they know if we tell them a budget, when it comes time to do that work, we're not going to blow that budget.
Over the course of the past several years, we have expanded into Louisiana, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Tennessee, Mississippi.
As far away as Lagos, Nigeria, off the coast of Africa, to right back here at home in the far north in Sheridan, Wyoming.
We also have workers who are able to get security clearance and work inside nuclear level facilities.
For us here at Snyder Environmental, safety is really important and really real.
It's not an actuarial exercise, it's not a mathematical exercise. It's about my obligation to do all I can do to keep our employees safe and so they can go home to their families.
Protecting our people, this is our family. So we're going to protect everybody here. We want them to come home every night to their family because they're a member of our family.